So today in this video I'm going to be showing you our new unique Highline profile systems and the various different accessories you can get with them as well. The profile I've got laid out in front of me just here, I'll show you here, is the 1.2 meter 7380 profile system. We did the same, we did one with the same dimensions, the 73 by 80, but also in a 2.5 meter lengths. And pretty much everything I say in this video is going to apply for the 4266 profile systems that we do as well. So you can mount them in various different ways. You can have a surface mount drilled straight up into the ceiling. You can have them in a recess, so only the diffuser and the top diffuser is going to be showing. You can also have them in a pendant mount as well. And I'll show you the different accessories you're going to need to do all these various different mounts. It's made up of lots of different parts. If I show you if I set the camera up just here quickly, I will show you how to take the parts off. So if you do have access to the end bits to take the diffuser off, literally grab the diffuser and pull it up. Obviously, if it's in a recess, you're not going to have access to these sides. So we've come up with some custom tooling. It's really simple. Stick it on and lift it up, and that shows you where the LEDs sit. Take this off completely. I'll show you, give you a closer look just here. So in these 7380 profile systems, you've got enough space. It's a 30mm wide gap, so you've got enough space for say two 12mm wide LED strips. If I show you a cutoff from the 4266 profile systems, you take a look inside there. It's only got enough space for one 12mm wide LED strip. But with these 7380s, you've got a bit more space, make it a lot brighter, and it'll look a lot better with the diffuser on top as well. Underneath that is just where the drivers sit. Again, you're not going to have, if you haven't got access to the sides, if you've got it in a recess and you can't just pull it up, you've got this this custom tooling that you can use again. It's very similar to an Allen key. Stick it in and lift it up. So that is how you take up this side, and this bit in here underneath is where the drivers sit. Now the drivers we have available for our profile systems, we have the 25 watt that fits in the bottom of the 4266 and the 7380. It fits internally, sitting down inside here. We've got the 65 watt driver as well. This one fits into the 7380 internally. Just sits down underneath there, and it'll fit with the clip on top as well. And we also have this 100 watt driver. It doesn't fit internally to any of these profile systems. It only fits externally, but we are getting new sizes, 90 by 90, in which it will be able to fit internally underneath the driver where the LEDs sit, just like the 65 watt just there. They're all dimmable drivers. They can run off 0 to 10 volt dimmer switches, a resistor switch, or a PWM as well. So as well as the linear profile system that I've just shown you, we also have a few modules that you can purchase that will be available on the Highline website, and I'll show you them just now. We have the T-shape module, and the diffusers obviously in a T-shape. We've got the cross-shape module. Again, with the diffusers on the outside, on the front of the module just there. We have the standard L-shape module. Again, diffusers on the front. Ignore these bits at the side. They're the accessories to fit it. I'll show you them just now. We have the internal corner with the diffusers on the inside of the L-shape, and we also have the external corner with the diffusers on the outside. You can see just there. So to fit these modules inside of your linear line, or to connect them to whichever module you want to use, you can purchase this accessory. It's the HL79180. That's for the 73 by 80 profile systems, and it's the HL45180 for the smaller 4266 linear profile systems. So it comes with a couple of grub screws and these three main parts. So to fit this inside and fit this accessory inside the profile system, you've got this gap just there, and you're aiming for this side fitting just there. So literally slotting in one side, slotting in the opposite side, and this third piece slots on the inside just there, and it slots in to either the other modules or your linear profile system. You can tighten it up with the grub screws available that come with the accessory as well. And the look you will end up with is something like that, just with no gaps, and obviously a lot tighter. And you can fit that modular, you can fit any of these modules onto the linear system, or any of the modules onto any one of the other modules as well. So another accessory that each of the linear profile systems come with is the end cap for a real strong professional look. It's quite a cool little part. You've got this magnetic plate, and I'll show you what that does in a second. So clip it on. You're looking this section here just literally clips on into the profile system just there. So stick it on the bottom first, clip it in, and there you have it. As you can see on the video here, you've got this gap just there, which is where this magnetic plate comes in. You slot it in, facing outwards, to give it a real professional end finish. So I'll just show you a couple of the accessories you can purchase for these for the profile systems. Again, you can purchase them for the 4266 and also for the 7380. You have the HL7380/BI, and that is for your recess mounting. This bit fits into your ceiling. It fits over like so you can stick it straight in, so you won't be able to see. So all that sticks out is the diffuser at the bottom, just there. You've also got this HLPT kit. This one here. This is for the pendant hanging. Comes with some cables and some screws, so it fits on to the top of the profile system and hangs down from the ceiling. And then also you have, it's pretty much the same kit, but it comes with this connection box as well. So you can hang your, so you can stick your 240 volt AC wire running down the cable as well. You can cable tie it to the side, so you won't be able to see it. And that's for these kits. So there you have the introduction to the new unique profile systems for Highline. They'll be available for purchase on the website, on the Highline website, or if you follow the next below.